Hello guys, today is Sunday the 11th, 2021, and I'm going to go over the weekly recap for the Musclehead Trading community. And we just want to go over a few tickers that was really running that I want everyone to keep on watch. All right, let's get right into it. Here, SGOC on Friday on the 9th of July. This thing took off. As you can see right here, it broke out from $2.40 and went to a high of $18.80. Oh my God, SGOC. Keep that on watch to the long and short side. I think it's definitely going to be some sympathy on Monday and Tuesday. Get ready. All right, the next ticker is NEGG. NEGG been warming up during the week. I think it took off and really got going on the 7th. And it went from $25 straight up to $75. Oh my God. The next day it gave back those gains and slid back down to $44. And then on Friday, we had some sympathy on the 9th, where it took off and started warming up from 46, flew up to $58, then gave back those gains and went back down to $46. Keep it on watch. I think this one is going to do some sympathy plays and some momentum as well in the coming week, and that's NEGG. Let's go to COHN. Now, the minority stocks has been getting some action lately, so let's go back to the chart. And here you can see on July 8th, on Thursday, it really got moving. It was at $20 and flew up past $45. Then it gave back those gains and came back down to $24. This is huge range, guys. And this is a micro float. So it doesn't take a lot of money and a lot of trading to get this thing moving. And it's known for moving like this. So keep this one on watch. COHN. All right, that's COHN. Next ticker is TPST. TPST actually was way down here on Friday. Guess what the price was? $10.53. This thing flew past and went to a high of $25.02. Then it gave back those gains and went back down to $14. I would keep TPST on watch. Why? Because it's another low float stock and it doesn't take a lot of money to get this moving. And it wasn't a lot of volume, but this thing really got some range. So if you make a day trade, make it quick, make it fast, and lock in those profits. And if the trade goes red, I would suggest you just cut the trade, cut your losses quickly. Next is AGRI. AGRI. On Friday, look at this move. This thing really got going actually in the pre-market. So I'm going to keep it on watch. It actually flew from about, let me see, what is that money? About $5 and flew past 12 bucks. It gave back those gains when it's time to come for the bell. It was at $8 and then it flushed. So it went back down under 6 bucks. So I would still keep it on watch. AGRI. Now here's another one. CARV. This is the minority bank, CARV Bank Corp. Really got cooking, and it was warming up from the previous week I did a review on. So now CARV actually warmed up and made the commitment move to the upside. Actually took off and broke out from $10 and flew way up past $35. Gave back those gains, came back down to 20 bucks, and then that was on Thursday, the 8th of July. On Friday, we had some sympathy movement, and it went higher past 40 bucks. Guess what? And it broke out from $28 at the bell, and this thing is on fire. Something's going on, but it also has some money on the short side. It actually collapsed at $40 and broke all the way back down to 25 bucks. So those short traders actually cleaned up on this too. CARV. I will keep this one on watch. All right, the next ticker is JRJC. Here's another one. Now this one is a micro float as well, and it just got a little bit of volume, so it's very dangerous ticker for anybody to trade. You got to definitely be an advanced trader and lock up those profits quick. But on Thursday and Friday, it did similar moves. It didn't take but 15 minutes, about 5 to 15 minutes for the move to make. And it actually ran up from anywhere from $9, $10, and it flew up to $13 and gave back those gains on the day. And it did the same thing on Friday midday. So you want to keep that on watch. JRJC, something's going on. Here's the next ticker. CCXI. Now CCXI is also another ticker that's been warming up. I like what's been happening. It's been riding this little wave here, you can see. But on the 6th, on Tuesday, we had a huge move all the way up to $18 from where? 14 bucks. So it's been doing this little sympathy bounce line off the 200 moving average. And on Thursday, it actually trended nice and smooth from the market coming back up off that sell-off Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So on Friday, it finally broke out around 10 a.m. It really started getting some volume, and not a lot of volume here. This is also, again, not a lot of volume, but the stocks are moving really aggressive. So the stock is a heavy float, a mid float, about 53 million shares out there, give or take. And it went from 1550 up to 1650, and it's still trending higher coming up. I would keep it on watch. All right, that's CCXI. And here's another hot ticker, UONE, UONE. This ticker is actually in tandem along with COHN and CARV. So these ones has been running a little bit, not as much as range, but from 880, 850 all the way past to $11. I think it's a nice ranger, but it happened quick and it gave back those gains and went back down to $9. And on Friday, it slid a little back under $9 to 8 and some change. I would keep it on watch though. UONE. Here's the last of the wild ranges, TAL. TAL, it was actually selling off on a downtrend on the daily, but on Thursday, it actually regained a floor from $18, and on Friday, it had a breakout from 20 bucks. It flew up to $23 and in about 30 minutes, and then it gave back some of those gains, and it's hovering around $21 right now, and that's TAL. I would keep it on watch, and it's pretty interesting. Now, this movement is pretty good, considering that the float is pretty big at 376, give or take, million shares outstanding. Now, from now, we're going to just give some shout outs to some large guys. I think ANET, ANET, is trending at all-time highs. ANET, keep that on watch. And SNOW, SNOW, is trending also at pretty good gains on Friday. It gapped up from 250 to 270. Keep that on watch. And ALEC, I was watching as well. On the 2nd of July, it actually took off and broke out from $22 and went to $42. Huge range right there. And it's holding that trend right now. On Friday, it slipped back from 40 to 36, but I would still keep it on watch. ALEC. Okay, now, here's some other plays just to keep on watch. I'm going to run through these real quick, so get a pencil and pad and just stay on watch for Monday, Tuesday, in the coming week. All right, and here it is. LHDX on Friday had a nice push from 7 over 9. Keep it on watch. MTSL, another ticker at $4 and flew up to 650. Keep it on watch. MTSL. Here's another ticker, SQBG. This thing been warming up all week. On July 2nd, on Tuesday, this thing started moving. No, not on Tuesday. The previous week, the 6th is Tuesday. Sorry about that. On July 2nd, it actually started moving from $10 and flew up past $20 to $24. It gave back those gains on the day, went to 14. Then we had some sympathy on Tuesday, where it bounced from 13 and flew up to $26. And then on Wednesday and Thursday, it slid and gave back those gains. But then on Friday, here you have a move here. It went from $12 up to $18 on low volume, and then it gave back those gains and slid back 13. So this is another micro float stock, and this is SQBG. Keep it on watch, guys. You can lock up some quick gains with these. Something's going on in the market where a lot of money's flowing in and everything is moving. All right, here's another ticker, ACY. AC is known for running really wild. You got to look at the daily chart. But on Friday, we had a nice pop for a signal that we might want to watch. We're from 1150 and it flew up to 1450 and it gave back those gains on light volume, and it happened really quick. So be careful with AC. AC is known to shake a lot of people out. But when you get your move, take it and take it off. All right, that's ACY. Here's another one, PFSW. PFSW had an early move in the week on the 6th, which was Tuesday, July. It popped up from $8 and flew over $10 to $11. And right now it's trending at $11.60, $11.18 between the bid and the ask. And I will keep this on watch. PFSW. SPCE, Richard Branson. Congrats, my brother. You went to space along with his crew and they landed back safely. So we're going to be watching Virgin Galactic because this guy is just inspirational. I love it. I love what's happening. Elon Musk's friend was with him that day and wished him good luck. But on space, we had a nice move from $43 and it flew up to $54. On Friday, it gave back those gains, but I will keep this on watch because it's just going to be a lot of excitement on Virgin Galactic stock. All right, that's SPCE. Here's another one. I got to mention it again. We had this one for 2 weeks in a row, 3 weeks in a row. This is MRIN. This thing has been really cooking. But guess what? From $6.28, it was at $4, and now we went to a high of $28. It's sliding right now and giving back those gains, but every day it's making a little pop. So I would watch it for some sympathy bounces, and it'd be another play out there for you. MRIN, incredible move at a short period of time. I think this stock really got a lot of potential. I'm going to keep it on watch, and the float is low. It's a 10 mil float, so it can still get moving. TBLT finally broke back above $1. I would keep it on watch. It was at 75 cents, and it was trending up a little bit, and it had some news. Check it out. And here's ISEE on Tuesday, the 6th of July. It had a nice move early in the pre, went up to $15 from $9. And right now it's sliding around 9, but it's trending up a little bit, 973. I would watch it and keep it on watch. That's ISEE. It's known for making huge moves too, so keep it on watch. CLSD, this is the last ticker. On Tuesday, the 6th, we had a nice move from where? From $5 up to 7. And it dipped back down. It's looking really weak right now, but I would just keep it on watch. You never know. Anything can happen. And those are the replays for July 6th to the 9th. And there's a couple other stocks out there. You want to just stay, you want to stay wise, you want to stay alert, and stay through the whole session. A lot of stocks been running past lunchtime. So the opportunities is coming later in the day, I think I've been noticing since the new year. And in the morning, not a lot of volume comes in, but sometimes only the options volume push for the morning. So just stay wise, stay alert. And this is Musclehead Trading. I hope everybody and wish everybody a great week in trading. Happy trading. Stay focused. And I see you at the top. Have a good day.